how to enable or disable show animation when unlocking with fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on lock screen and enter phone pin and click on fingerprints. So after click on fingerprints, so if you want to enable or disable show animation when unlocking, so if you want to disable show animation when locking, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see show animation when unlocking is disabled. So if you want to enable show animation when unlocking, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see show animation when unlocking is enabled. So you will enable or disable show animation when unlocking from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show animation when unlocking with fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.